Hey, it's Greg Luther, and today is the big day. You can see I'm all dressed up in a little sport coat here. We're going to the bank, and I'm going to bring you along with me because we're getting ready to make a huge cash withdrawal. I've got a little example or case study that I want to share with you today. So they're actually expecting us at the bank. I've got this little briefcase here that we're going to be filling up. This has been quite the ordeal, but I think you're going to be very excited about what we're putting together for you here today. So they are expecting us down at the bank. We got to get going here. I got about 9 minutes to get there, so we better get cracking. So I'm going to have you follow along with me here. Let's go out to the car. We're going to the bank. All right, so here we go. We are heading to the bank, and funny story actually, I tried to do this video for you last week. That didn't work out so well. The bank wasn't having it. So as it turns out, this is the largest cash withdrawal this branch has ever had. I just wanted to kind of show you, use this as a prop to show you a little bit about the real estate business and what the difference is between successful agents and non-successful agents. So they said, no, we don't even keep that kind of cash on hand. They had to order it, and I had to fill out a form for the IRS. I guess anytime you take more than $9,999, you have to fill out a little form or whatever. So we've got an appointment 4 minutes from right now. We are set to meet with them and get our little cash withdrawal. And I'm going to show you a little bit about what you should be doing in your real estate business. So go ahead and follow me to the bank, and we're going to make a withdrawal. All right, so we are all set. Man, they make you think you're doing something illegal here. I better keep my receipt. So we are set. They had to have like a assistant branch regional director controller, somebody, but we got the money. It's not as impressive as I thought it would be. I thought this would be an entire briefcase full of money, but nonetheless, we got a lot of money here. I better get rolling. So we're going to run back to the house, and I'm going to show you a little bit about what you should be doing in your real estate market. So let's get going here before we get robbed, and I'm going to give you a little brief presentation. So let's get going. All right, so here we are back at the house, and I have with me now $300,000 in $100 bills. This is 3 stacks of 100 grand. They call this a brick, I guess, is the bank term that they use. But the reason I got this out, I want you to think about something for a minute. $300,000 is more than most real estate agents have as their entire net worth, even if they've been doing this for years and years. And you know what the bad part is? They forget about the fact that they're going to have to retire sometime. They need to quit selling eventually, and they can't even pay their bills every month, let alone start to put money back. $300,000 happens to be the amount of money that we donated to charitable causes last year. You know, one of the big benefits of working really hard is you can start to help others. And I know that you've probably got friends, family members, or causes that are important to you that you'd love to be able to donate a lot of money to as well. But here's the problem. Most agents focus on their expenses rather than focusing on their income. So I want you to see, like, this is real numbers here. This is real money that we're talking about. So, you know, I'm not talking about, having a couple of things over here that are worth a little bit of money, or you're moving money around as the next check comes in. I'm talking about how do you have liquid cash available so you can buy whatever you want, invest in whatever you want, and most importantly, provide for those that are in need. So I want to show you exactly how you can do that, how you can start making a heck of a lot more money and have a significant net worth for you and your loved ones. Well, there's a couple of ways you can do that. The best way available today is to work with real estate investors. Now, I'm not talking about the regular real estate investors that are buying homes at 70 cents on the dollar and you're always looking around trying to find those homes. I'm talking about investors that will pay 100% of market value, have it appraised, and they will buy it at that price because they're going to hold on to it as a rental property. So the acquisition cost doesn't really matter to them. They don't need to buy it at a discount. They're paying all cash for the home, which means when it rents out, they get all the rent every month. They're making a lot of profit. So that's the type of investors you need to be working with. And the advantage is, if you've got a handful of them, they're going to buy lots and lots of properties every single year. So you have consistent closings every month. You can fix the financial problem that so many agents have, that roller coaster of income that we've all dealt with in the past, right? We have a good month followed by a couple of bad months. If you get yourself some real estate investors, you can start acquiring these or selling these properties every single month. And the big advantage with it is with our system, not only are you representing the investor, but you're also utilizing our marketing campaigns to go out and get those homeowners that want to sell. So you end up getting both sides of the transaction. You're selling unlisted homes, not available on the MLS, meaning you get both sides of the transaction. It's going to be a full price deal. There's nobody to represent as far as negotiating purposes. Get it appraised. Both parties agree to the purchase. That's how our investor system works, and that's what I want you to duplicate within your business as well. But I just got to be honest with you and kind of getting in your head a little bit and making you realize if you don't take drastic action for your real estate business, you're going to keep doing it the way you've been doing it. If you're looking to truly start putting a bunch of money away and to start having a significant net worth and really love the business that you own, your real estate career, you've got to start attracting the right type of prospects. This is the way to make that happen. If you're looking to fix your real estate business, you want to start working with investors, utilizing an automated marketing funnel to not only attract them, but convert them for you so that all you do all day long is represent those investors, find the properties for them, and get them to the closing table. This is the approach to make that happen. So what I want you to do is I want you to reach out to my office. If you're serious about this, here's what I want you to say. I need help. I need some help with this. So call my office, email us, whatever you need to do, and just say, I need some help. Help me to get involved with investors. Show me how to use that marketing funnel, whatever we have to do. So let me give you my office number. It's 614-582-3912. Again, 614-582-3912. Call my office and just say, I need help. I want to start working with investors. Tell me more about the investor funnel. What can I do to get myself going? How do I get out of the rut that I'm in? Because let me tell you something. You cannot get to a significant net worth until you can get your debts to zero. So the first thing we have to do is start making a lot of money so you can pay off all your debts, all of your credit cards, all of your medical bills, student loans, your car payment, your house payment. You got to get zero debt before you can start to build a significant net worth. We need to get going with that right now because the only other option is to keep doing what you've been doing. And we know if you do the same thing, you'll get the same result. So reach out to my office. You can also email us, respond to this, or email us support@gregluthercoaching.com. Again, support@gregluthercoaching.com. And again, just say, I need help. I want to work with investors. Show me how to start making a lot more money. That's what we do here. Now, I want to be clear with you. I'm going to be okay whether you use the investor system or not. We're going to keep helping agents that want to be helped. I'm going to keep doing the referrals that we do. We're still going to be making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. What you do, the decision you make, has zero bearing whatsoever on how our business will run, how my livelihood will go, but I sincerely want to help you out. And I sincerely want you to be our next testimonial, saying not only did you get yourself down to zero, pay off all of your debts, you've built a net worth, and you're starting to help other people. That's where I want you to get with your business. So get involved with the investor training. Again, reach out to us. If you're serious about this, reach out, say, Greg, I want to do that. I want to start making big money here. So give us a call, 614-582-3912. We'll see you soon.